at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a Rolex certified pre-owned Oyster Perpetual 41. It's the reference 124300. Now this model, as you see, at 41 millimeters in diameter with a coral red dial. It arrived in 2020 and it was discontinued for 2022. So this short-lived 41 millimeter red coral dial has already become something of a collectible, one of the most distinctive Rolex models of our era. It's also remarkably simple and easy to love. The timepiece is 41 millimeters in diameter and 904L steel. You can see in profile just 11.8 millimeters thick. From lug tip to lug tip, 47.5 millimeters, and from end link to end link, if we count the two end links of the Oyster style bracelet, 51.3 millimeters with a 21 millimeter spacing between the lugs. Pop open the clasp. Roll back my glove a little bit so you can see my wrist. My wrist is 16 centimeters in circumference, and this watch is a nice fit, although I do think this is probably the smallest wrist that can get away with wearing this watch. If my wrist were any smaller, I'd be looking for a 39 or a 36, and you can see that this is a substantial watch. It's not thick, it'll easily fit under a cuff, but it's broad, and you can see that to good advantage here. So let's say 16 centimeters circumference and up for this bad boy. 904L steel, what is it? It is a high nickel content steel that will not rust in repeated exposures to salt or sweat or some industrial acids. Okay, acid probably not a major concern, but sweat and sea salt, absolutely. Sea salt will not rust this. 316 steel, if not continuously rinsed after exposure, can actually rust in the presence of heavy salt concentrations. Heavy electrolytes can degrade that type of stainless steel. It cannot degrade this stainless steel. Conforming end link to mate it the case cleanly. We have taper down towards the clasp. The top links are satinated, though the flanks are polished. We have removable links fixed by screws. And you can see quite a few removable links built in here. Try to get this out of the way, because it is worth mentioning that these Oyster Perpetuals, as launched for 2020, do actually include the 5mm Easy Link snap in, snap out 5mm tool-free adjustment system. Previous OPs before 2020 did not have that, so this was a nice upgrade. You can also see, if you look inside, that there are 3 pairs of divots inside the clasp right here, and that you can dismount the spring bar and use your tool to change the anchoring point of the bracelet and the clasp to fine-tune the fit. You can see we have a little debossed 5-point coronet, letting us know this is an Oyster Perpetual. The original Oyster Perpetual arrived in 1933. It combined the 1926 Oyster water-resistant case with the Perpetual rotor winding system. And not only was it the prototype of every modern Rolex, one could argue it was the prototype of almost every modern sports watch. So this watch is probably the oldest continuously running line in the Rolex category, but for 2020 we got it for the first time in a 41mm size. You can see we have an elegant domed bezel. We have a twin lock crown in steel. That's what the little slash underneath the crown means. It's a twin lock in steel. We have a screwed in oyster case back, 100 meters, water resistant, lovely glossy lacquer coral red dial. And I don't know how well you could see this. It probably looks very red if what you're seeing online matches my viewfinder, but I would also advise you that it's got a kick of orange to it. So I would say it's a very orangey red. If you've ever seen true Italian Rosso Corsa, not Ferrari Racing Red, not Marlboro Racing Red, but if you've ever seen true Rosso Corsa, the Italian racing color, that has undertones of orange and is very, very similar to this. So look at Rosso Corsa race cars and you'll know exactly what the style looks like regardless of what you're seeing on my screen. The crown, the indices, the hands, they're all white golds. They won't fade or oxidize with time. We have these little black indices outboard of the applique ones. Simple no-date dial. You can see the indices are doubled at 9, 6, and 3, which I love. And then it has very little dead angle in the setting. You start to turn the crown and the minute hand moves almost immediately. We do have hacking seconds, bidirectional automatic winding, 70-hour power reserve, 4 Hz beat rate, 31 pivot joules, full balance bridge and a free sprung balance for shock resistance, overcoil hairspring Breguet profile shaped by hand for concentric breathing, and thus the watch will keep consistent time in every position with respect to gravity. That overcoil is made of a blue oxidized niobium zirconium alloy Rolex calls parachrome blue, which is hugely anti-magnetic. We have Rolex's proprietary Chromolite blue lume on the dial, which stays bright all night, dusk till dawn lume. And I should emphasize that not only is the movement a COSC certified Swiss chronometer, but Rolex takes the fully assembled watch, tests it to run no worse than +2 -2 seconds per 24 hours, hence superlative chronometer. It actually means something substantive in the modern era. And Rolex is a fully integrated manufacturer. Clasp, bracelet, case, dial, hands, movement, even the shock protection Paraflex used in this watch, and the very lubricants themselves. Your Rolex is all Rolex. So reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex factory original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company, the certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.